Hey guys. Hi everyone. Okay, I'm here. Today is such a beautiful and sunny day. Yay, we are in February. A big hello to everyone out there. How are you all? How is the COVID situation in your individual countries? In Lagos, the COVID numbers keep rising and plummeting daily, so I try to stay indoors as much as I can. Let me know about the situation in your country and what you are doing to stay safe. I'd like to know. Guys, I can't believe I have about 2,500 views on this channel. Like what? I just want to express my sincere gratitude for being listened to and shared to everyone. Thank you. You don't know what this has done to my self-esteem being in front of the camera all the time. It's a big boost for me to continue giving you the best. I want to keep improving the quality of what I produce as well as to be very accessible. And that is why Greenie wants to open a blog. All environmental content we address on YouTube, as well as some of my memories as an environmentalist and biologist, will be available to everyone at Greenie's Corner. Along with this, I want to devote a bit more time to the videos in order to perfect glitches and mistakes, and that is why both the blog and the videos will be up bi-weekly, unlike the weekly timetable. And hey, if I do get the better hang of it, I will go back to the weekly regime. The blogs and videos will overlap in their timing, so don't worry. Greenie is going to be by your side every week. This hopefully will start from next week. Thank you so much, guys, for your patience with me. Know that I do not take this for granted. This is what pushes me to make more videos because I know you listen. As I always say, let's start imperfectly. The first step, though, is to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button for notifications. These are for my new subscribers. As well as those already part of the Green Tribe, please share my videos. Maybe not this one, but your favorites that I have uploaded in the past. This is me signing off. Have a great week. And let's start imperfectly. Bye.